In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and set up your phone call tracking with GoHighLevel using LED Connector. So let's dive right in and explore these straightforward steps to enhance your call tracking capabilities and make sure everything is up and running smoothly. Firstly, you'll want to start by heading over to GoHighLevel. It's a user-friendly platform that many of you might already be familiar with, and if you haven't used it yet, you'll find it pretty intuitive. Once you're there, go ahead and log in. If it's your first time, don't worry too much. Just follow the on-screen prompts to get settled in. After you're logged in, draw your attention to the left-hand menu. This is where you can navigate through all the different features of the platform. Look for the section labeled Settings. Clicking this section will expand a menu with various options related to your account and operational preferences. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll see another option labeled Phone Numbers. This is where we'll need to go next, so go ahead and click on it. Within the Phone Numbers section, you'll have access to all things related to your phone system, which is essential for managing your communication pathways effectively. It's important to have your phone system configured properly, so take a moment here to ensure everything is running as expected. Next, we're going to dive a bit deeper by clicking on Phone System Settings. This step is crucial for fine-tuning the specifics of your phone operations. Once that's open, navigate over to Agency Settings. Here, you're looking to make sure that you're connected to LED Connector. Having LED Connector properly integrated is vital because it's the tool that allows you to track calls, something that can significantly boost your lead management and overall communication strategy. After verifying or establishing that connection with LED Connector, you should be all set to start tracking your calls. This will provide you with tremendous visibility and insights into your communication processes, allowing you to better understand your customer engagements and optimize accordingly. It can be a real game changer for how you handle leads and conversions, as tracking calls reliably gives you the data to refine and improve over time. And just like that, you're done. With these few simple steps, you've set yourself up for better call tracking and management. This process not only makes sure you're not missing any crucial data, but also helps streamline your workflow and enhance customer relationships through more consistent and accurate interactions. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to leave your thoughts or questions in the comment section below, and if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe for more how-to tips and guides. Until next time, keep tracking and optimizing.